How to link your Instagram or YouTube on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on your profile, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Edit Profile. Simply click on Edit Profile and you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here you will find Links option. Click on Add Links. After you've done that, you'll find Instagram and YouTube option. Simply click on the one you want to add. After that, you need to log in with your username and password. After you've logged into Instagram or YouTube using your ID and password, simply it will log in and add it to your TikTok. This is how to link your Instagram or YouTube on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. And Sophia signing off until next time.